So guys, you can see how good is the eye track. As soon as the bird enters into the focus zone, the camera consistently started tracking the eye. So see, I stick to it. So Canon R7 is ready. So guys, if you see, as soon as this started looking at the subject, the eye tracking started working. Doesn't it? So guys, if you see, the bowser is just sitting there, and the moment it comes into the camera, so it's very interesting. If you go to the level of the eye, you can get really nice pictures. Right now I'm sitting in a height which is exactly the level of the eye of the bird, and you really get a nice picture out of it. It's a little bit overcasting on this. I think it's really good. So guys, getting track of the subject in the video mode is another very good options of Canon R7 when you're using this camera, and you just try to shoot the videos. As you can see, I'm shooting a 4K fine mode and at a 60 shutter speed with wide aperture and auto ISO. This bird is quickly be tracked by the camera. Let me put my screen resolution down. See how fascinating. As quick the camera detecting the subject is turning the eye tracking on. This is really great. So guys, one more good example of it. So you can see how quickly it grabbed the subject. I move my camera towards anything else, and as much as I come back to the subject, initial subject is still tracking, because in my Canon R7 what I did, I put my tracking sensitivity is locked on, so it's keep logging on the subject, and the dynamic acceleration is also to the locked on. So guys, you can see after waiting so many hours, finally a buzzard, most probably a female buzzard, I need to check. It is so white chest and is enjoying the meal I have put out there in the morning. So you can see every time the bird is there, just put my resolution a bit low. Every time the bird is there, and how the autofocus system is working, tracking the eye mostly. Bird heights are always better to go and take the nice pictures. We are hidden, well maintained inside the forest and get closer to the birds. So I got a couple of nice pictures of it. So this is absolutely great. So guys, this is a buzzard and I'm in a hide, and you can see how beautiful is that, eating. This is really beautiful. So that's what I was talking about. When you are in a hide, it is very nice that you can get closer to the birds and take the right actions. I hope you liked today's episode. Put your questions, your comments in the inbox, and I will definitely get back to you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.